Hi there. I've been out working all day. I'm a hot mess, but hey, well, it is what it is. I needed some cilantro for a dish I'm making. So I decided, well, let me run in and get my camera and my herb book and I'll just do it all in one. I'm underneath my gazebo right now, so hopefully I'm not too dark. But I just picked all this cilantro right here. And it's almost getting ready to go to seed. See, right here is a little white flower. Whoops, where is it? Right there. If you can see it, right there. It's a white flower. And that will go to seed, and then it becomes coriander. So let me read a little bit about it, but here it is right here. It's beautiful, Maggie Moo. What I'm going to do is you can dry it upside down like this. I can put it in my woman's cave and dry it, or I can put it in my dehydrator, but I'm going to use a lot of this fresh, and I'll probably drop some off to my son as well. So without further ado, Miss Maggie May here is jumping on me. Hopefully her papa will be out so he can take her. And it says, description, grown around the world for its culinary properties, the leaves of this medicinal plant are given the name cilantro, while the seeds are referred to as coriander. Cilantro and coriander have been used in cooking since prior 5000 BC. No, Maggie! Maggie was just trying to eat it. No, Mag. And also, it's also text in the Bible as well. Maggie. I don't know if she got a great big clump of it or not. The leaves and stems have a distinctive strong odor. Yes, it does. And the plant will grow 10 to 12 inches in height. As you can see, it has right there, a little bit taller. Everything grows gigantic in our garden. We've been composting for a long time and building our soil. The entire plant is edible and will grow in most moist gardens in tropical temperature climates. It is considered an annual and will not tolerate extremely hot conditions. That is true. We've been in a wicked drought here, but we have a great overhead sprinkler. And I keep saying, I'm going to get to the garden, I'm going to get to the garden. Well, I got to get to the garden because something has gotten in it and has eaten some of our garden, whether it be a deer or a woodchuck. We don't know. Could be a wild rabbit. I don't know. But anyways, let's continue. When to plant. Coriander seeds will not sow well under hot conditions. No, will not. Sow the seeds outdoors in mid-spring or even late summer or early fall. The plants need to be spaced 8 to 10 inches apart for optimal growing. That is true. But you know, I must say, ours come back not every year, but it will pop up somewhere in the garden. Ray, how many spots do you think that we have of this cilantro?
How many what?
How many spots do you think in the garden we have of cilantro?
Cilantro, give me a hint.
This is it right here that I've got. The one that was next to our borage.
Probably 2 or 3 places that came up.
That came up from last year. That's there, but what about down by the end of our cover-up of our peppers? We should have some down there too.
Not much came up there.
Not much? Okay, these plants came up from last year.
Yep.
I did start some more from seed, but I haven't been in the garden much because my plate's been very full. So anyways, back to coriander. Coriander seeds will not sow well under hot conditions. And it says, sow the seeds outdoors mid-spring or late summer or early fall. The plants need to be spaced as 8 to 10 inches apart. Sun and soil. Cilantro has no specialized soil requirements and will tolerate full sun, shade, or partial shade. We have ours right out in full sun. When to harvest. Harvest leaves and stems prior to flowering for maximum taste, oil, and fragrance. So I got it. I'm right on the border right now. Perfect timing. Seeds can be picked by hand once the plant has fully gone to seed. Parts used. Leaves, stems, seeds are used. In addition to adding to its flavoring foods, it can be made into cider, vinegar, and tinctures. Medicinal benefits. Cilantro/coriander is very good for the digestive health and is considered an appetite stimulant. It is also rich in vitamin C, and the oils found in the leaves of cilantro plant contains antibacterial properties. So there you have it on cilantro. And Maggie starts with cilantro and goes into coriander when it turns to seed. Go get your ball, Maggie. So this is the book, as I always say, The Complete Guide to Healing and Medicinal Herbs, Everything to Know and Explained Simply by Wendy Vincent. This is a very good book. I know a couple of folks that come to my channel have ordered this and is very pleased with it. It's very basic and you can understand it very well. And it's a really good book. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I got a series of herbs going. Everything's growing so big in the garden right now. I've got apple mint that needs to be harvested, ginger mint, strawberry mint. Let's see, apple, ginger, chocolate mint. I'm just trying to think. My brain's kind of scattered. Peppermint, spearmint. Peppermint, spearmint. But anyways, all the mints will be listed, and all basically you can use them in different ways. But right today we're talking about cilantro. Everything can be used in cilantro. Oh, Maggie, in cilantro. This is the stem. This is the leaf. This is the part you usually cut up and you put into your recipes. Good. All organic. I never used to like this. I had to grow into liking this, actually. Maggie, do you want a little bit? I'll give Maggie a little bit of the stem. Maggie Moo, where are you? Oh, you got your ball? Well, here, try some of this. Try some cilantro. She got the ball and some cilantro. But anyways, hopefully the lighting come out okay on this. Again, my big old cilantro. I've got more to harvest. I'll have to get the dehydrator and the dehydrator going tomorrow on the other. And this I'm going to cut up fresh in a recipe and then probably drop some off to my son. He will greatly appreciate this. So have a great day. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And don't forget to follow the series on herbs. Love to have you come over and look at the other ones if you have not done so. So here you have it. Cilantro and coriander. Have a great day. God bless. Stay safe. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye now.